Hi guys, today you might be wondering why I'm having this gelatin. It's because of a new package, which I know what's inside. There was a viral video not long ago about these JELLO flowers. Although I suspect it's not JELLO, it's more something like agar-agar, which becomes solid much quicker than regular JELLO gelatin. We'll be testing this. I'll show you that in a later video, but for today we'll just do the unboxing. But in the meantime, take a look up here what this stuff can do. Impressive, isn't it? You have different forms for making leaves, flower petals, and stuff like that. I'm wondering if this is as easy as shown in this video, but we'll see. We'll be testing this later on. So, enough of that movie. Let's see what's in the package. Nice, good quality syringe. And some attachments. So we have a medical grade syringe, all these attachments. Talking about medical, I had a MRI today. This is where they put in the contrast. So I'll need to take that off. Unfortunately, it's been quite a painful injection. But returning to our package, we've got all these attachments. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and just a straight tube. 10. Total of 11 pieces. You'll find the link below. So soon I'll put up a video trying to test these, making my version of the flowers. Hopefully it works. If not, I'll need to try with the agar. So that's it for now. Of course, you'll find the links below. Take care. Bye.